Baltimore's Inner Harbor draws a lot of attention, but not in the detail a new project could bring. Alex Dimitri reports on plans to install an underwater microscope.
Sometimes algae is brown, like the unusual winter bloom last month in the Inner Harbor.
That is an algae bloom. We're looking at right here is a type of microscopic algae, but when we get enough of it, it turns the water this color, and we'll call it a mahogany tide.
Right now I want to put a face to that color.
And Dr. Alan Pace wants to do it with this, a flowcytobot.
There is a new instrumentation that's come out that essentially is an underwater microscope.
And he plans to put it in the Inner Harbor, where it can take up to 500,000 microscopic images a day, sending them to computers that will rapidly identify which species of algae are showing signs of increasing.
It actually is an early warning for harmful algal blooms that are occurring.
This project is more than scientific curiosity. It's also about protecting human health.
Because oysters eat algae, water where they are harvested is collected, sent to a lab, placed under microscopes, and tested for toxicity. If an underwater microscope works in the harbor, it could speed up the process in harvest areas.
Again, as an early warning for whether we should harvest these or not after the fact when somebody gets sick, basically, because they've eaten a tainted oyster or a tainted clam.
But first, $150,000 must be raised, so the University of Maryland Center for Environmental Science is conducting a donation drive on the web to buy the underwater microscope.
Right, and I've already donated to it.
If enough donations follow, the project called Harbor Watchman will dive in. Alex Dimitri, WJZ.
For more on the Harbor Watchman project, we have a link on WJZ.com.